Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, so in today's video I'm going to show y'all how I got this Queen of Hearts bloody gory look that I found on Pinterest. I'm obsessed. So first I'm going to use my primer. It's my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in C1, and I'm just going to blend that over my lid. Next, I'm going to take the Crayon Case Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm going to work this cranberry shade into my crease. And I'm just going to blend that out, sort of like an outer V motion. So next, I'm going to deepen up this cranberry shade with a deeper sort of like burgundy shade, and I'm also going to put that in my crease. By the way, I'm just now noticing that I had leftover glitter in my hair from my last makeup look. I was like a glam deer and I used so much glitter. Sorry, it's on my shoulders, on my chest, all in my hair. Sorry guys. Next, we need a little bit of shimmer. So I'm gonna add this really pretty pink shimmer shade, and then I'm gonna take my Rose Glam Boutique lashes in Asesina. I hope I'm saying that right. I believe it's Spanish, but now I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer to warm up my face, do a little contour, and this is in the shade Mahogany. So this eye palette actually doubles as blush as well, so I'm going to take some of that blush, and I was a little shocked that it was so pigmented, but that's the good thing about Halloween looks, you can be extra. So now I'm taking this paint palette and I wanted to draw a little heart, Queen of Hearts, of course. And I'm just going to fill that in. And later on you'll see, I didn't have it in the clip, but I actually went back and fixed it with liquid lipstick instead because I thought it looked better. So now we're going to make the cut. And I'm using some cotton balls that I just shredded with my fingers and some duo eyelash glue. So I make the little cut with my glue and a brush, and I just kind of thicken that up a little bit, and then for each side I'm going to take the cotton and kind of shape it to how I want it to go, and I'm going to just like to make sure that just really sticks. I go back in with my brush, add a little bit more glue, and just pat that in with my brush. So now I'm just taking some of my Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm doing this so the cotton can kind of be concealed in a way, and it can kind of more easily blend into the skin so it can appear more natural. So now I'm just going to top off that foundation with some setting powder, and this is going to kind of help it not move. And this is my Huda Beauty Easy Bake in Blondie. I'm also going to take the matte book now, and to sort of create that bloody bruised effect for the wounds, I'm going to be using several red shades, sort of like a deeper red and a brighter red, and I kind of play around with those until I get it to how I want it. using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. I'm going to take this black. This black is perfect. I love it whenever I'm doing wounds and cuts and stuff. And I'm just going to use this black to make it a little bit more natural and sort of like infected, bruised look. So yeah, just mixing that in with those reds. I'm just kind of like splotching it all over the place. It doesn't have to be perfectly placed because that's the point. And then also I mix it with a little bit of red as well. Now for the interesting part. I have these playing cards. I have like 100 stacks of these because they were given to my fiance and I. But so yeah, I just ripped these because like I said, I have so many. So I'm gonna rip these, and I took some eyelash glue and I'm gonna kind of create the effect that it looks like it's sticking out of my head. So that's why I cut the cards, well, rip the cards, and then I'm gonna glue it to my wounds. And this took me a great deal of time actually, just kind of like trying to see how it fit and trying to just get it to stick. I took some time to glue certain spots that weren't sticking enough for me, so I just kind of waited around. But in the end, it worked just fine. So then I used my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, and then I'm also going to add a touch of highlighter because it's golden and I just feel like that's the perfect touch. This is my Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold, and since I'm extra, I wanted to add a little bit to my collarbones. For the lips, I'm taking the Crayon Case Blackboard liner because I want that really dark liner effect. And then I'm taking her liquid lipstick as well in Murda Matte. This is a really pretty red shade that I just felt went perfect. My absolute favorite part, I'm taking this Spirit Scab Blood, and that's gonna kind of basically do what it says. It's gonna kind of give a scabbing, bloody effect. So I'm just placing that sporadically wherever I feel it's gonna look best. Now for the dripping blood, I'm gonna take my Party City Stage Blood, and at first I kind of did it with a brush and placed it on the wound, but then I later realized I wanted it to drip a little bit more and be a little bit thicker, so I actually just took the bottle and just placed it that way, directly dripping from the bottle, and I felt like that was perfect. And that is it, you guys. As always, I would love some love. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.